Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the Taken 8 DirectX 12 is not supported on your system, and unfortunately there is no one fix to fix this problem. I will show you guys the different method to fix this problem, so you have to try them one by one and see which fixes your problem. So let's get started. First go to the Windows tab with the DX and open it. And here you just need to make sure you have the DirectX 12 is installed. If you see the DirectX 11 or the any other, then you just need to update your Windows. Go to the Windows tab here, the Windows update, and simply open it. And guys, if here you will see any available update for your Windows, then just simply update it. When you update your Windows will automatically install the DirectX 12 on your PC. After that, guys, just see your problem is fixed or not. And if not, then go to the Windows tab with the device manager and open it. Here you will see the display adapter, so you just need to open it and update your graphic card. If you have the NVIDIA graphic card, then simply open up a software and simply update the graphic card. And guys, if you have the AMD graphic card, then just simply open up the AMD software and simply update your AMD graphic card. And guys, if any of the solution does not work for you, then I will show you guys the next solution that you need to apply to fix this problem. So you have to just open up your Steam, click on the game, which is the Taken 8, go to the gear icon, go to the properties, and in the general, you will find the launch option. Here you can simply type the minus DX11. Guys, once you type it, just close it and just simply play the game and see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, after this, if your problem is not fixed, then you can go to the gear icon again and go to its properties again. And guys, now here just click on the install files, just remove this launch option and just click on the browse option. And guys, here you will see your Taken 8 game launcher, so just right click on your game launcher and go to the properties. And guys, now here just go to the compatibility. Here you just need to check this box of the compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8, and also check this box of the run as administrator. Then apply the setting, then just simply open up your Taken 8 game and see your problem is fixed or not. And guys, if your problem is still not fixed, then you can open up your end browser and just search for the DirectX 12 download. And guys, once you type it, just hit the enter and this will show on the top like the Microsoft website. You have to simply open up the Microsoft.com website. So just click on the download DirectX 12. And guys, once you open up this website, now the DirectX setting will now going to download automatically. Now here you can just simply download it and just simply install it into your PC, then just simply restart your PC. After the restart, your problem is definitely fixed. And guys, if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation from me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.